As you see, the market shall giveth, and the market shall taketh it away. All good, man. Like I said, we had a good 3-day run, a nice little green rally, but this is not gonna last long. No tree grows to the sky. But anyway, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. About to get to it about some cash flow, buy up these dips. It's a good thing. Now you got a discount on the stocks you want to buy and hold for a long term. And we about to get it in, man. And me also, I can swing trade my way up out of a couple things. Like when I did BGS Foods the other day, on yesterday, took profit at 425. Just to show you, again, real quick, not going to be long, just an example. When I got out yesterday at 425, I wanted to be greedy and hold it to 450. But as you can see what happened, today's high was 425. On yesterday, it got to 438 and must have went down in the post market. So that's why I took my 425 and ran. Now it's going back down to the $4 range where I brought the 200 shares at. My average cost is $4 now. So I'm going to do the same thing, rinse and repeat, because it actually got down below the $4 range. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take it back up to the 425, 430, and I'm out again. Rinse and repeat, swing trading, making me a couple dollars and lowering my average cost at the same time. So that's my plan. So while I am here, BGS Foods, I'm going to go ahead and start, $4. Get me 25 shares there. And I'm going to put like 385. Because it's got a 52-week low at 367. I'm going to put 385. And I'm going to put 370. I'm going to get up out of this one. I keep on swing trading it. It does pay. P ratio 1.52 million with P ratio 1.52. Dividend yield 18.27%. 52-week high 944. I can actually get this and hold this for the long term. I got 141 shares. I can get these quick. Whatever I'm about to get, sell that at the 425 and keep the 141 for the long term run. All right, we got BGS Foods. I can cross that out. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get to trading. All right, OXLC, 9 cent a share a month. Tomorrow is the ex-dividend date, the 15th. So you need to have your shares in by the day. Regular market or post-market. By 8 o'clock tonight, 4 o'clock for regular market, 8 o'clock for post. For you to have your record date and have it recorded and get your dividend, your 9 cent a share. This going to fall after tonight. This should be lower tomorrow. Probably going to go down to about 330. It's 325. We're going to see what's going to happen. But I'm buying 5 shares a day. USOY already announced they're going to pay. Tomorrow they're paying 19 cents a share. For next week they're paying 14 cents a share. So that's why this right here is green. I did buy some at 825. It got down to, well, right there you can see the day's low is 826. I got one share at 825. So I did that last night. Sorry, in the last night in the post market with the 24-hour market, it got down to 825. One thing about this stock, y'all look at this. In the past month, this is the pattern of it. So if you notice, every time they have a payout, this is what they call the NAV, net asset value, the VAT value, and they say these yield max will be be losing the NAV, meaning the price be depreciating. Every time it has a payout, this is the last 30 days. It pays out weekly. It lowers. See right here, boom, down, goes up, down, 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 down. So it's down 85% in the last month. Last week is down 30. So this one here seems like it got a NAV problem. If you look at ULTY, this got down to 595 and it tanked below. That's why I didn't load up. I did get a couple shares, 100 shares here and there, but I didn't load up the way I wanted to for this reason here. But I did pick up some shares though today, which I will do. I'm going to hold this one anyway. This is going to go back up past the $6 mark. Got 519 shares. I did buy some today. That's why I don't like Robinhood at times. When you want to get to your history, it don't even be here. You got to go in and out of the stock just to even find it. See if it's going to pop up. See, they doesn't even show you your history. So anyway, I did buy 30 shares here, 5 shares here. I got buy limits all the way down. I got it at 580, so I will be buying that one. Will not be loading up. We'll be buying $3 here, $2 here, fractional shares. USOI, another one pays out monthly. Another option on oil. This one here is starting to go up. Funny, USOI green, but USOI bullish is red. But like I say, how the commodities work, oil, gold, silver, when the stocks are up, they're going to be down. Then when the stocks go down, commodities going to go up. So that's why I was buying the USOI $20 a day at that price. RC Ready Capital, I did get some shares of this today. I got 25 shares at 383. It's going to be another swing trade at the 445 mark. This got down to 380. Let me look at my average cost now, because that's the reason I'm doing it. Got to take advantage of this price at 515. I'm going to go in at 380. And I will be swing trading this. All right, Ready Capital. Cause one thing about REITs and BDCs, a lot of them suffer dividend cuts. Another one, AFCG, another REIT, marijuana REIT, got down today. Had bad earnings on yesterday. I brought some shares at $4. Like I said, I'm trying to show you, man, but it's not coming up. It ain't me, this Robinhood. Anyway, I brought some at $4, and I brought some at, I want to say $4.35, because this was at like $4.62 or something today. Yeah, so and I put a buy order in at $3.85. So this gonna be another one. I'm a swing trade at the $4.50 mark. Rinse and repeat. You can see my average cost now. I'm at $5.26. I was at $8 something. We did ULTY. I'm gonna go MSTY, MicroStrategy coming down. Remember I had a buy order like $17.91. It must have came and hit it, because I did get an alert for 2 shares being filled. We're at $18.87. Nope, 2 shares at $18 right there, $36. Well, this definitely is the time to nibble at this. Gonna go with PSEC, Prospect Capital. Buying this cash flow up. Got 5 shares at $281. That's the price I put in. Got to put an order in here. Got like 3 positions of this one. One I'm gonna cut loose. That's why I'm gonna swing trade my way up out of it. And all the dividends I got for years upon years will be profit. Plus the capital appreciation. I'm gonna go with PetSmed Express. Got 307 a day is the low. Get my 3 shares. It's another one. We'll be selling at $4.10. What is this Medifast? MED. Weight loss stock, long-term play. Not 65, $5. When this run, all these 5 3s and all, I'm gonna add it all together and I'm gonna sell it at that price just to show you quick. See if I brought in fractional shares, I brought $585. I'm at sale, I sell $585 worth at that price. You see, I got 1208 of it. I will sell it at that price because I brought $585. Say if it go to $17, I sell $585 at 17. But I brought $585 at 1304. Like right now, I could just, instead of buying in shares, I could just buy $585. Right, just say right here if I want to go on through with it. I'm buying $585 at the market price of 1304. I can go in and sell $585 at the price of $17 instead of trying to count shares. Just to let y'all know that. That'll be a quick swing trade for y'all also. You can go right now buy $50 worth and sell it at $16, $50 worth. That's another way to lower your average cost with a swing trade. KHC, Kraft Foods, I'm sorry. Below the $29 mark where I like it. Need to lower my average cost. I actually got a $29 average cost in another portfolio. Got to get this one down to it. This one I'm going to let go of in the near future too. ORC, Orchid Island, 12 cents a share a month. This one pushing. It's down today and still at 714. That's a good sign. Another one I need to let a position go in. We're going to go with ARR, 24 cents a share a month. Armor Residential REIT. ARR. I'm at what, 1523 today. I'm going to go with YBit, options on Bitcoin. This one I'm definitely going to be buying. This one hold up the best out of some of them. You don't get that big yield, but you don't get the price. Depreciation is bad. That's YBit. Or ticker WU, Western Union. 826. I'm going to buy some of that dip up. Ticker TWO, Two Harbors. I'm going to go back in at the 9 something mark. Trying to look at my history. 1430. The price I brought some shares. I remember I did buy like 5 or 10 shares all at once. Let's check that price. $9.90, $9.97. 8 shares at $9.84. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going at $9.84 again. Make sure it's not no 24-hour stock. Yes, it is. 24 hours, $9.84. HRZN. Horizon Technology, 11 cents a share a month. If you want to lower my average cost at this cheap price, I'm gonna set my buy-in price at $7.50, no, $7.25 and none. That's the only time I'm gonna reach out to that play now. When it's up, I'm gonna let it ride. LAND got to bring it down at these prices. $8 worth, almost a share. Got USOI gonna do the Dow, DOW. $23.16. I'm gonna go CHCT. Man, giving y'all all this game free, man. With these stocks I'm giving y'all, man. Look here, you will have a dividend avalanche. CHCT, $20 worth at that price. Should be about 1.25 shares. All right, I'm at 2071, 1465. Actually, I'm about to stop playing. There you go. Bring the average cost down. I'm at 1945 now. Ain't a bad stock. 12.63% yield. On the green, well, on the red day, gotta take advantage of it. All right, y'all. I'm buying power. I'm at 150,000. I mean, I'm spending money. I mean, I'm about to get some dividends in too. All right. Let's go check out traps. Bank stocks. I'm gonna make some exits on those too when they go up. But now, man, you gotta take advantage of these dips. Like I said, when he make that interest rate cuts and people start to feel more positive about the market, man, they're gonna shoot up and there ain't gonna be no letting back then. QYLD, y'all know this one of my favorites. I haven't been buying it. I like it 17 and unders at $16.93. I'm just getting them dividends and put them in other places for now because knocking close to the 17. RYLD another one, and XYLD, all those men bullish. So I'm gonna put my money in these undervalued stocks. I'm at 150,000 now because you know I've been buying stuff to swing trade, buying 200 shares of this, 300 of this, and that there just to let go later on. Comcast, it's another one I want to come down in. Gonna be one I'm gonna let loose too. Lower my average cost on Comcast. I'm going for straight up cash flow now. When I get up to its 52-week range, I'm gonna let that loose. I got the dollar cost averaging 9. RYLD, I just want to show you. Remember I said I like this at 16 and under. It's still there. But really, got to trade the market you in. That's before April. You know, April when Trump got in the office and the tariff shit. That's like the lowest point for this year. So really, got to see whether it's going to hit that 16 again. 52-week high is 1687. That's why he's like it 16 and under. But still is a buy at this price. But I doubled up. My average cost is 1527. Now it's at 1512. I got my 1,000 shares, 1,078. I think I bought a bunch of shares at 1480 or 14. I think it was 1480. I was waiting on the 1450. Never went back down to it. But I definitely a double up there again too. But when they down, you got to go in. But now I'm not buying anymore. I'm just collecting the dividends now. And I'm reinvesting it back into other plays. BDN, Brandywine. I like RYLD, QYLD, XYLD because of the volatility of it. It's not as volatile. You don't get it. Still 11% plus dividend. I think XYLD is like a 10.2, but it's not as volatile. You don't have the price. You don't suffer the price depreciation. Lionel Basel been having a nice couple days. A 10% dividend yielder. Excuse me, AFCG, we did get that. Goldman Sachs BDC. Not a bad one. $1 calls averaging into, especially if it pull back, especially around that $11 even, below the $11 range. Definitely gonna be adding on there. Get me $5 a day of that. I like APLY. Add 13 and under. RINC been going down sort. I'm at 22s at 21. 52-week low 17. I can chill out, see if that get around that $19. I nibble at it. Till then, I just chill. DISO. Disney. There's some shares on there. We'll accumulate some. Just want to lower the average cost. They do options on Disney. Walmart, another one. They pull back some more. FSK been getting whooped. I don't load up. I just add to them slowly and build my position out slowly. ULTY, we got AIYY down 3.28. At that price, $3 and under. Let that be my target price for that one. YBit, we got that. Suns, QQQY, WMY. They got to come down some more for me to even entertain it. Waste management coming down this week. PYPY, let me get some of that. Options on PayPal. Gotta lower that average cost there also. Get that monthly dividend. KLIP, like that 3150 and below. SVAL got to be under my average cost. I'll let you know then, but right now it's not the time to buy that. Charge point down 4.32%. That's a discount. Gonna be time for me to swing trade this one too in a second. I'm gonna just do buy $200 worth at 11.53, sell $200 worth at 12.37. Like quick plays like that, just to lower my average cost. What I'm about to do with Charge Point. See, like everybody trading instead of investing in it, so I might as well join the bandwagon. All right, that's it for today, man. Quick trade, not quick, but sorry for the taking long, but a lot of game in this trade. I mean, in this video, well, trade too, because it's a trading video. But signing off. Go get your money.